guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make some corned beef. I have my corned beef over here. You can use a corned beef of choice. And I have my seasoning here: onion, scallion, Scotch bonnet pepper, bell pepper. So I'm just going to show you guys what I'm going to do. Yeah, so it's a really simple video, it's nothing fancy. Alright, so I'm not going to use a lot of oil. Just maybe a teaspoon or a tablespoon, because I don't want it to be too greasy. Enough oil to saute the vegetables that I have. Alright, so it's time for me to put my vegetables in. Yes, I'm just going to let these saute for 3 to 4 minutes and then add my corned beef to it. Alright guys, so it's time for me to add the bully beef. Just going to use a spoon and break it up. Alright, you guys see how it now looks greasy? Alright, I just keep on doing this. Alright guys, so at this moment I'm going to add some black pepper, my sweet corn. Yeah, and that's it. And this would go really good with some white rice, boiled dumpling, fried dumpling, whatever you want to eat it with. This is it guys, corned beef and sweet corn. Normally when I cook bully beef, I always dab it in oil. Yeah, that's the oil is run out of the pot. Okay. Alright, so I made some dumplings. I'm just going to add them to my oil. Okay. So I'm just going to turn these over so I don't burn them. Just gonna turn them one by one. Alright guys, and this is the corned beef, aka bully beef, and fried dumpling. So this is it. Thank you guys for watching my video, and remember to give me a thumbs up and have yourself a wonderful day.